Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a smart FAQ search bar and filters to help users find answers faster on your website. With the Easy Accordion plugin, you can instantly add a fully functional search bar and filtering system, allowing users to quickly find answers or filter content, posts, or products, improving navigation and enhancing the overall user experience. So, let's get started. Suppose you've already created an accordion on your site and now want to add a search option to help users find specific answers. To do that, navigate to the Accordion Templates section. Here, you'll find the FAQ search option, which works as a child block. Simply enable this option, and a search bar will be added to your accordion instantly. Now, go to the FAQ search settings. From here, you can change the preset style, adjust the search bar width, update the placeholder text, enable auto-suggestions, and set the alignment. Head over to the style settings for more customization. Now, let's look at the search button settings. Here, you can show or hide the search icon, choose an icon from the built-in icon library, or upload your own. Adjust the icon size, spacing, and position. Once you're done, click Publish and see how it looks on the front end. Now, I'll show you how to use the filtering option with the Post Accordion block. You'll notice that the search option is also available here, but for now, we'll focus on filtering. To enable filtering, go to the Query Builder settings and turn on the Taxonomy filter option. As soon as you enable it, the filter settings will appear below. From here, you can choose the filter display style, either list or button. Show or hide the All button, customize the button label if needed, adjust spacing between filter items, and set the position and alignment of the filter buttons. Once everything looks good, click Publish and preview it on the front end. And that's it! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.